Oh, hear me I say, straight. And me a big up Aisha upon that one here. That's what me I say, yeah. Me have a different Aisha.
Work. You see me I be work.
Big man
You see me do me that. You see me better work. When you walk on I'm in the cafe, my tata.
Hear me I say, yeah, me have to big up Aisha straight. Killer, you is an artist with Jamaica rate. That's what me I say. And enough gun song you sing. That's what me I say. Yeah. We're out of order and slap. You understand me, killer? Yeah. Just like how you jump on Cartel. That's what me I say. You jump on Aisha as a woman. Brother, you have to allow the female them. A long time you not try to hold on the female them, brother. Yeah. The female them deserve to get them space in the dance hall. Me don't care which one. All of them don't like me. Can them do good music? Yeah. Free speech. To sing a song and it have some little thing in it where you don't like. You don't have to listen to it or you don't have to play it. You see what I say? Aisha do our work. Just like the pop star them we are sing them song. Oh man now lick up against the pop star music them. You see me alone, me not against no artist music. You see me? But me only show you killer if you left Aisha alone. Because you an artist with Jamaica rate. You see what I say? Yeah. So Aisha is a artist with Jamaica rate. Because enough people are 69 as what she say. And I feel them business that killer. Come on man. You're bigger than that. And what you try to prove, killer? What you try to prove? Come on, killer. Do better than that, man. Nobody make the fan base drop from you. You see what I say? Aisha get her forward no matter what you do. If you even want to attack her on stage, Aisha to the fucking world. You see me? Yeah. And I love Aisha. Although she don't know me in person. I love her. Congratulations to her for her song then. You see what I say? A girl that come from far. So killer, hear me I say. You need to sit down and look and think. Before you make your move. Because you're going to make a move, come her on stage and something bad go happen. You see what I say? Killer, you is a man. We get yourself in a whole heap of trouble with woman. You're not supposed to try to rush another woman rasta. Love Aisha alone. You might end up behind bars with that one here. I tell you. You see me? If you say you worship God, you see God a kill nobody. We are the freakiness. Him only tell you them words say. So in the beginning, so in the end. Him now come kill you as him say I'm a girl or a girl and I'm a man. You see me I say? What is wrong with the killer? You can't stop people to live them life. You can't tell people what to do killer. You see what I say? You cannot tell people what to do. You see me I say? I mean I disrespect you, but you cannot tell people what to do. Trust me. You need to sit down and make God talk to you and show you certain things. Because nothing God show me, you know. Yeah. So killer, you need to do that. Nobody return until you get in trouble if you go back to church again, brother. Ciao. Aisha now work, man. So now I should do our thing, man.